Hi everyone, in today's easy tutorial I'm going to show you how to use remix mode in Midjourney. Welcome to the channel, let's dive into it. So remix mode basically allows you to change prompts, parameters, model versions or aspect ratios between the variations, and it's very simple to use. So let me show you how to use it. So I'm going to start with slash settings command first, and I'm going to hit enter, and here I'm going to click on remix mode to activate. Once it's lit green, we are good to go. So I'm going to click on dismiss message to close this thing. So let's start with a simple prompt. Let's say pixel art fruit basket, and let's hit enter, and here's our pixel art. So to use remix mode, simply click on one of these versions here. So let's click on V2 and wait a bit. And here you can change your initial prompt. So let's remove the pixel art and change with pastel drawing. And let's click on submit. And here's our remixed image, and as you can see, our main object, which is a fruit basket, remains the same, but on the other end the medium changed from pixel art to pastel drawing. And that's basically how to use remix mode in Midjourney. If you found this video helpful, tap the like and subscribe buttons to help others to find this video as well. Thank you for watching.